Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the light's 3 retaining screws. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Apply pressure on the tab that locks in place the cover on the bulb frame to remove it. For the reversing light bulb, simply pull it out.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. For the other bulbs, simply press them down and rotate them a quarter turn counterclockwise. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw back the screws, holding the light. Close the access flap. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.